today what we're going to do is we are going to make a little experiment that I come up with. It's called Bloody Mary Prime. What we're going to do is we're going to inject the prime with some of this Bloody Mary mix, this smoked Traeger Bloody Mary mix, and then we're going to season it down with the Bloody Mary cocktail salt. Now this Bloody Mary mix is amazing on its own, and so is the salt. I recommend you get that salt and season your steaks with it. It is delicious. I'm going to get the prime out, get it ready, and we'll be back here to inject it. Inject, we've got our filled up with Bloody Mary mix. You're going to stick it in, inject, and pull out. Now that we're all done, just we'll rub this all down with the leftovers, and then I will season it down with the salt. So now I'm going to lightly salt this on the top to crust it. And all the way around. And that's it. This will be the Bloody Mary prime rib. Out to the Traeger it went. It will smoke for 1 hour before turning up the heat. I'm using Lumberjack hickory char. After smoking it for an hour, we have now turned it up to 375 to finish it off. Currently at 95, we took the time to glaze it a little bit with some of the Bloody Mary mix, and we'll be back to check on it when we get up to down. Here is the final product. We took it off at 125 degrees, which is what is recommended. And look at that. There it is, perfectly cut.